Hello and welcome to this week's What's Hot, and I'll try to be as jargon-free as possible. Now, who says minded to accept? And who would want to use that expression? Well, I'll tell you who. Andrea Leadsom. She's the UK Secretary of State for Business, Energy and Industrial Strategy. She says that, and I suppose she would, having a title like that. All to do with the government prepared to approve the £4 billion takeover of aerospace and defence firm Cobham by US private equity firm Advent International Corporation. Now, it is the first high-profile takeover of a UK company since Boris became Prime Minister way back in July. But it is being opposed by the founding company, who have argued that its acquisition by a foreign private equity buyer is a national security concern. Now, Cobham employs more than 10,000 people. It makes critical components, it says, are found in every Airbus passenger jet manufactured today, and parts that prevent fuel tank explosions on the A320 aeroplane. Well, let's have a look at what to expect, and both Wednesday and Thursday are pretty hectic for results. Well, let's go in chronological order and let's have a look at Wednesday, when we will be hearing from both Direct Line and Kingfisher. They're bringing out Q3 trading statements and half-year results from United Utilities. Well, analysts at Hargreaves Lansdown remind us that the Labour Party policy to nationalise water utilities mean United Utilities has found itself in an unwelcome spotlight recently, especially with the election pending. Labour has suggested nationalisation might take place below market value, which of course would be painful for investors if they, the Labour Party, form the next government. Well, given that headwind, it might be surprising to hear United Utilities shares are higher today than they were 6 months ago, but that's because there's more at work in the market than domestic politics. Well, it's definitely a mixed bag in terms of broker recommendations. Politics aside, Thursday too, a lot for investors to consider when we hear from the following companies. Statements from Centrica and William Hill, half-year results from Severn Trent and Royal Mail. Well, no strikes please, because other delivery services are of course available. Now, I haven't ever mentioned cryptocurrency, but that's about to change today because there's a treasure trove of virtuals on the lse.co.uk website. On the homepage, you'll see this. Just click and you can view the top 20 cryptocurrencies by rolling value of trades. Select one. Now, I'll choose Ethereum, although other cryptocurrencies are available, and you can see market capitalizations, historic and intraday graphs and recent crypto trades. Now, I'm not a crypto convert yet. As you'll know, I'm still on my CPR crusade, so I hope you've all gone out and learned how to break a rib to save a life. And if you don't know what I'm talking about, then do look at previous episodes of What's Hot and all will become clear as to why I'm on this CPR crusade. Now, it was a superb turnout for London South East's final investor forum of 2019, and if you weren't able to attend due to domestic or transport dilemmas, don't worry, because we have uploaded all the presentations for you to enjoy. So have a look, search here on the left of the homepage. There you go. There's a still of glorious presenter Nigel Cassidy with cameo appearances by founder Phil Thomas. Well, that's my cameo appearance finished for this week. I look forward to talking to you again, same time next week.